Hello, my name is Christine. I am from Troop 1065, and I'll be showing you how to make Paracord Dog Toy. The reason why I'm doing this is for my silver project that I am currently doing, and so that way I can provide mental stimulation for your dogs, so that way because the main part of mental stimulation is to switch out the toys for every 4 to 6 months. First thing you're going to do is you're going to get your rope, and basically you're going to make it about twice your arm length. Okay, so that's 1, and then 2. And you're just going to cut and then fuse. And then you're going to get different color if you want, and you're just going to do the exact same thing, but instead you're just going to make it the same size as this one, or as your first one. You're going to do the exact same thing for the first one. All you need to do is just put the string over, and you move this one over these two, and then you're going to get this string and put it over these two. Now you see that it's starting to form a little N. So you're going to get this one and put it through your solid strip. Then just pull it together. Make sure that this one doesn't loop over. And then you should have your starter point, which it should look like that. Then you're just going to do the exact same thing over and over again. So now, after you have completely finished repeating those couple of steps, it's time to finish it off. So all you're going to do is you're going to start off with any string you would like, and you're just going to go around and put it in the same hole with the same color. So you can see that this one is green, so it went inside the green. This one is kind of camo, so it goes into the camouflage one. And then you continue doing that for your other two. And this is the last one. You loop it through. And then you are basically done. All you have to do is tighten it, and you're good. After you have finished tying the ends, then you can snip off the extra bits and pieces and then fuse them together. Now you know how to make your own DIY Paracord Dog Toy. So like I said at the beginning, this is to help you guys mentally stimulate your animals by providing them with enough toys, so that way they're not bored and they don't destroy things. You can also make more of these, because the pounds also and shelters need more toys, so you can donate more if you have extra supplies, things like that. Also remember to spay and neuter your pets, because there are not enough homes and not enough food to feed that many or that amount of pets. Thank you for watching.